Let's go over the features on the microwave. Some of the features are 7 cubic foot capacity, also a cooking power of 950 watts, a combination convection defrosting option, a beeping noise to notify when cooking is complete, timer option, touchmatic control system, 10 power levels, word prompt, child lockout, and black finish.
Let's talk about the competitors. The LG with the cooking power of 800 watts, also the Frigidaire with the cooking power of 700 watts, and the Samsung also with the cooking power of 1000 watts. Let's talk about their features. They all have numbers on buttons, door eject button, time screen, and a nice beeping noise.
Maybe asking why would someone want the Amana Red Range? Well, it is a quality microwave with many options and it's a great price. Comes in a variety of colors and has a 4.5 star rating.
You may be wondering if Amana Red Range microwave if a good choice is, and the answer you're looking for is yes, because it's a long-lasting, durable microwave. It is also able to withstand many uses. In addition, it's inexpensive and so great option for those in a budget.
Now,
Cleaning and care. After splats and spills, wipe up fluid, particles, and liquids off the microwave immediately with a damp washcloth. To fully clean the whole entire microwave, remove glass plate and wash with soapy water, then rinse and use a soapy water and dish towel on the walls of the microwave, and then wipe dry with a towel. Once the microwave and the glass plate are completely dry, place the glass plate back into the microwave. Inside of the microwave, use a damp washcloth over the outside surfaces and wipe dry. No, never use the microwave if the glass plate isn't properly inside the microwave.
Today we will be learning how to use the Amana Red Range microwave.
Melt the butter.
Step 2, mix together the butter
This is not the fudge.
and the vanilla and the salt
Starting right
and
now.
the brown sugar
Whoa, 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 whoa. That's fine, Fox.
and the sugar. Next you add the eggs.
I know. You don't get that. I know. We got you in our back. You say. No, which one is that? Robbie, how'd you take care of it?
Okay, we need one more. One more person.